going to look at modelling and problem solving question that combines all of the those algebra techniques that we've looked at. So just for future reference, obviously my board is quite small, and just with this little question I've taken up about half of it. So probably what I'm going to do in future is have the question provided for you somewhere in your OneNote. There'll be a link to it, and I'm just going to work straight from the top of the board, and I'll just refer to it that way. Sorry, didn't realise that my facilities were so disappointing. So our maths question: the formula for converting temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, which is an F, to degrees Celsius, which is a C, is C equals 5 times F take 32 all over 9. First thing it wants you to do is make F the subject of the equation, because right now it's C. The second thing it wants you to do is find the temperature in Fahrenheit when C is equal to 21. So that's easy, we've done that before. So let's look at our question A. Maybe I can squish it onto one side, that'd be good. It's not straight, it's fine. Alright, first thing we always start with is rewriting the formula. That way, even if you've got absolutely no idea what you're doing, you can have something down for every single answer. If all you give me is a whole lot of regurgitated formulas, at least I will know that you have listened a little bit. So, we are making F the subject. So we want to get F by itself. Right now it's all tangled up here. First thing we need to get rid of, remembering our reverse BOMDAS, we don't have anything subtracted, we don't have anything added, but we do have something divided. We've got this divided by 9 here. So we want to multiply both sides by 9. 9 times C is just 9C. That's equal to 5 outside of F take 32. Now we're going to look at that now, and we've done our divided terms. Do we have any multiplied terms? Yes, we do. This whole thing in brackets here is multiplied by that 5, so we want to get rid of that 5. So we are going to divide both sides. Divide both sides by 5. That's going to give us 9 on 5C is equal to, you know what, I put that bracket, don't actually need that bracket anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it again, is equal to F take 32. Now there are a couple of ways you could have written that. You could have 9 on 5C, that's fine. You could have 9C divided by 5, also fine. It means the same thing. The last thing we need to get rid of to get this F by itself is that negative 32. So we are going to add 32 to both sides. I'm just going to go right ahead and therefore straight off the bat, just because that's the kind of gal I am. So therefore F is equal to 9 over 5C plus 32. And that's pretty easily done. So that was our A question. So our B question: what is the temperature in Fahrenheit when C is equal to 21? So we already have our formula rearranged so that F is the subject of the formula. So all we have to do now is just sub in that value for C. So first thing we're going to do is rewrite the formula, because that way you're not like, what are we doing again? So F equals 9 over 5C plus 32. So that means F is equal to 9 over 5 times 21, because we're subbing in that 21 everywhere that we see a C. We're going to add that to 32. Once again, I didn't think to grab a calculator because I'm a big disappointment sometimes. So I'm just going to get my calculator up on my laptop. La 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 la. Alright, so we've got 9 over 5 times 21. That is what we have to figure out. So 9 over 5 equals that. It's 1.8, just in case you were wondering. Times that by 21 is equal to 37.8. So we've got 37.8 plus 32, which is 69.8 degrees Fahrenheit. A nice balmy 69 degrees. So that's not too bad so far as temperature goes. Like, it's not a summer day, but you probably won't need your air conditioning, so that's nice. But yeah, that's how we figure it out. Oh, but wait, there's more. For this one, it's fine. For this one, our question was in words. So we can't just leave it as F equals 69.8 Fahrenheit, because that's bad communication. We need to write a sentence, and that is as simple as the temperature in Fahrenheit of 21 degrees Celsius is 69.8. It is that simple. It doesn't have to be a long, complicated sentence. That is not what I'm asking you for. All I'm asking for is some kind of sentence. And we're all grown-ups, so we can all write sentences.